Good afternoon, dear children. I hope you are all keeping safe. Children, today, on the occasion of Lal Bahadur Shastri's birthday, we will learn to write an essay on him. Put down a few important points about him. So let's listen to the video and then sit back and write the essay. Essay on Lal Bahadur Shastri. The life of the Indian second Prime Minister, Lal Bahadur Shastri, holds several lessons in honesty, integrity and simplicity for children and adults alike. Here are some facts and anecdotes from his life that amplify the principles he lived by. As a patriotic young boy, he was inspired by Mahatma Gandhi and is called to join non-cooperation movement at the early age of 16. In his maiden Independence Day speech in 1964, Shastri told the youth to strive for moral strength and character. I appeal to our young men to inculcate discipline in themselves, discipline and work for unity and advancement of the nation. He had many pioneering initiatives to his credit, such as using water jets to disperse crowds instead of lathi charge and making it possible for women to be appointed as conductors in public transport facilities. He also raised the slogan of Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan during the Indo-Pakistan War in 1965 and paved the way for India's food self-sufficiency. Since he didn't believe in the caste system, he gave up his surname as a young boy. The title Shastri was bestowed on him upon graduating from Kashi Vidyapith as a mark of scholarly achievement. Lal Bahadur was an independent politician who served as the second Prime Minister of India. He promoted the White Revolution, that is, the national campaign to increase the production and supply of milk by supporting the Amul Milk Cooperative of Anand, Gujarat, and creating the National Dairy Development Board. Hard work is equal to prayer, he once said, in accent profoundly reminiscent of his master. In the direct tradition of Mahatma Gandhi, Lal Bahadur Shastri represented the best in Indian culture. Children, I hope you've understood the essay. Now sit back and take out your English composition book and write the composition down. Thank you. Stay home. Stay safe. God bless.